Now we're going to progress to cutting out images. Before you start, I recommend you take your background, picking it up, click on it and drag it down to the piece of paper and let go. So you have two, a background copy and a background. Turn off the original background. When I say turn it off, you see those little eyes? That makes things disappear and appear. So get rid of that background, but leave it there. It's always going to stay there for us in case we need it. There's two ways to cut out. You can either cut out using the magic wand or cut out using the lasso tool. For today, we're going to do it very simply and use the magic wand. This tells the magic wand how far up or down it's going to select around that one pixel you're touching, as in the gradient or the colour. So it may go slightly pinker or slightly darker or slightly lighter, but only with the tolerance of 3. Depending on how big the tolerance is how much outside that area it will pick up. So I'm going to just click here. As you can see, tolerance of 3, I haven't got those roses, but it's leaving marks. This isn't good. So let's do Command D, deselect that area, and let's put up the tolerance to 50. Woohoo! I think that's going to be too much, but let's see what happens. As you can see, it has selected literally everything. It's selected all of the flowers well, so we don't want that. Let's try 10. I have to repeat though, this is quite a rough way of cutting things out. Right, yes, that's done it. It has only selected the background. Now, if there's a little bit of area you think you could have selected more, you can go in a bit closer and have a look at it, because that area, it couldn't actually physically get to it. So I can get my magic wand and press the plus button by pressing Shift, click, and I can get that area as well. So that's worth looking at. See if there's any little areas you can do. Now, we want to inverse what we've selected. So we do select, inverse. What we're doing now is we are actually just selecting the flowers and this border. Again, Command C, Command V. Once again, we've got another layer. Let's see if we've got that right this time. Yes, we have. You can see this is invisible. We have nothing in this area. It's literally like glass. As you can see, we've now got the roses and the frame. I'd like to separate the frame. So I'm going to go to Magic Wand once again, and I'm going to turn the tolerance down to 3 because I don't want to pick those roses up. I'm going to Apple C, Apple V, or Command C, Command V, and now get rid of that. I have just got that. Let's take that down again and work on this layer, layer 1. And I click just the border and I press delete. So that's now gone. That's quite nice. So we've just got those roses and the frame on its own. I can make more of layer 1 just by dragging it down. And then whenever I'm on that layer, press that move button. You can move them around. Whichever one is higher up is at the front. And that's how you cut out.